Wait until you see these genius home gadgets that are making everyday life 10x easier. From smart kitchen tools to must-have bathroom organizers, these viral finds are so satisfying and useful, you'll want every single one for your home. Don't miss the best gadget at the end. It's absolutely worth it. Watch the full video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Hunt Daily for more amazing gadget discoveries every day. Who would have thought that this loquat-shaped charm on my bag is actually a mini fan? It's so beautifully designed. In the hot summer, you really can't go out without it. It has 3 adjustable wind speeds, and the airflow is surprisingly strong. You can feel it from far away. The traditional Chinese pipa-style design looks amazing. It's not just a mini fan, but also a stylish bag accessory. Hang it on your bag and take it anywhere. No more worrying about the heat. Every home should have a cleaning brush like this. It makes cleaning air conditioner vents and narrow gaps so much easier. It has a 3-in-1 design. Just add a little dish soap into the bottle, and it becomes a handy spray cleaner. You can operate it with one hand, making cleaning more efficient. The soft microfiber cloth easily cleans air conditioners and blinds, while the fine brush on the other end removes dust from crevices with ease. The cleaning head can also be detached and washed for repeated use. If you have an air conditioner at home, you definitely need one. Your kitchen definitely needs a rotating multifunction knife holder like this. The divided design stores knives of different sizes, chopsticks, spoons, and even cutting boards. It also has a built-in drain tray at the bottom, so washed utensils can dry directly inside. The rotating design makes it super convenient to access everything. Installing a couple of these shower holders on your bathroom wall can bring so much convenience. No drilling is needed, just stick them onto the wall. You can place the shower head on it and adjust the angle freely. After using this holder, washing your feet, bathing kids, or rinsing floor mats becomes much easier because you no longer have to hold the shower head the whole time. It even comes with small hooks for hanging bath balls or brushes. Homes with elderly people or children should definitely have one. It's really practical. Many people still don't know that placing a storage rack above the toilet can instantly make the bathroom much tidier. Made from carbon steel with a dense mesh design, it has large storage capacity for tissues, shampoo, and other bathroom essentials. It's sturdy and has a raised base that doesn't interfere with normal toilet use. This little clip that can hold a plate on one end and mosquito coils on the other is incredibly convenient. It has a dual head clip design with a flexible universal shaft that can bend freely. Hanging mosquito coils won't tip over, and even broken mosquito coils can still be used. The enlarged decorative metal tray underneath automatically catches ash so it won't dirty the floor. Place it anywhere you need. Put a soap holder like this beside your sink. After using the soap, place it on top and the water drains directly into the sink without dirtying the countertop. Made of thick carbon steel, it won't deform or rust easily. Different sizes of soap bars can fit on it. The slanted and widened design automatically drains water without leaving soap residue. Place it next to your kitchen sink to store used sponges and scrub brushes. It keeps them ventilated and dry. Knife holders nowadays are becoming more and more advanced. This one even comes with a built-in knife sharpener. When your knife becomes dull, just slide it through a couple of times and it's sharp again. It's wall-mounted with no drilling required, sturdy and secure. It can store cleavers, fruit knives, and peelers too. The sharpener is removable and can also be used on the countertop. Every kitchen should have one, convenient and practical. I finally found a toothbrush cup organizer that's both pretty and practical. It's a drill-free, wall-mounted design. The cups are stored upside down so water doesn't collect inside and dust can't get in either. It also comes with storage compartments for combs, toothpaste, and toothbrushes, keeping everything neat and hygienic. Your countertop will never look messy again. If you have a kitchen, you definitely need this 3-in-1 draining basin. No more wet countertops like before. Wash fruits and place them directly on top to drain without wiping them dry. The lid keeps out dust and insects. It's super practical for washing fruits and vegetables. You can even place wash dishes and chopsticks on it for ventilation and drainage. A true kitchen essential. Every bathroom should have a tissue storage box like this. It's stylish and has a large capacity. The double-layer design can hold both pull-out tissues and toilet paper rolls. Tissues pull out smoothly without getting stuck. It's both convenient and practical. This roller-style mop holder is the first of its kind I've seen. Once the mop is clipped in, the lower it hangs, the tighter the grip becomes. Thick or thin handles can all be held securely. It's drill-free, strongly adhesive, and keeps mops and brooms organized on the wall without taking up space. The hooks underneath can also hold small items. If you have a kitchen, you should definitely permanently hang a multifunction trash bin on your cabinet door. It makes cooking cleanup so much easier. No more bending down while peeling vegetables or preparing food. It comes with a silicone scraper that easily wipes and collects countertop trash. The scraper itself has a 3-in-1 design: spray, wipe, and scrape all in one, making it easy to clean stains and watermarks from countertops. Hang it on the cabinet under your sink and you'll finally have a place to store used tissues. This tiny gadget simply attaches to your faucet and works like a mini water purifier. It effectively filters impurities, insect eggs, rust, and more. It has a built-in 6-layer filtration system that removes rust and sediment, making water cleaner for washing rice, vegetables, and fruits. It also prevents slashing, so washing dishes and pots won't soak your clothes anymore. The soft silicone connector fits various faucet types, and it's compact enough to carry while traveling. These little gadgets that work as both clips and hooks are extremely useful to keep at home. One side is a clip that attaches to rods and becomes a hook for hanging spatulas, spoons, and kitchen tools. Turn it around and it becomes a clip for gloves, sponges, bath balls, brushes, and more. Things that normally can't be hung can now be neatly organized anywhere around the house. Check out this new cup dispenser I got. The sliding design dispenses cups smoothly without sticking. It installs on the wall without drilling and offers large capacity storage. The transparent cover lets you easily see the remaining cups, while the dust-proof lid keeps everything clean and bug-free. It makes grabbing a cup for drinking water super convenient. After visiting a friend's house, I discovered this flip cover cup storage box. Before, cups were just left on the countertop where they collected dust and water. This storage box is amazing. It can store tall, short, and differently shaped cups. The hollow bottom design allows upside-down drainage, while the built-in drip tray keeps countertops dry. The flip cover keeps out dust and insects, and even freshly washed dishes can be stored inside hygienically. Previously, I used to leave used soap bars directly on the countertop, making them sticky and gross. Then I discovered this little whale-shaped soap holder. Its double-layer drainage design keeps soap dry and hygienic while separating bath soap and hand soap. Anyone using soap at home should get one. It's both cute and practical. Over time, the walls around light switches always get dirty. These Spring Garden felt switch covers are a lifesaver. Made from thick felt material with 4 different patterns available, they simply stick around the switch, protecting the wall while looking beautiful. And they don't interfere with turning the lights on or off. Stylish and practical at the same time.